Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well. Janelle here, coming to you with another quick little unboxing, okay? So without further ado, I needed a mirror for my cute little mini pochette that I just got. So of course, I had to do the trendy thing and go get the double faceted mirror by Chanel. So this is my first Chanel. I ordered it with the, how I usually do when I order anything online. I love a good bag. So it did come with a very tiny, so cute little bag here. So it has a tie here and it also has some stuffing in the middle. I just haven't even untied it because I can get to what I need out of here. So this is the double, double mirror duo. So yeah, it's by Chanel. So this is the box, this is the packaging it comes in. And then it just has a cute little dust bag which has the logo on it. So the double C's here. It's really cute. It's like a velvet material, very smooth or satiny, however you want to look at it. And then it's so cute. So there is the cute little mirror with the double C's on it again, the standard Chanel logo. You pop it, if I can open it. Oh, it's the wrong side now. So you pop it open this way, so it just opens for you, and that way you have two-sided mirror. I tried to clean it off as much as I could. I had my fingerprints all on it. My daughter always like, "Oh, mommy, what did we get?" So it's very cute. It's black. It comes in this black shiny finish, but it's just an excellent, cute little posh mirror to add. Like I said, I did originally bought it to go in my mini pochette, which I'm going to do an unboxing for in just a moment. But makeup to makeup, my cosmetic pouch, it literally goes perfectly. Well, actually, I'm probably going to keep it in the little dust baggie. Okay, but I'll put it like this and then place it down in my cosmetic pouch. So this was $45. The mirror itself was $45. I didn't do any expedited shipping. I was like, honey, I can wait on a mirror. Truth be told, I rarely use a handheld pocket mirror anyway, but I did want something cute in the event that I had to pull one out, right? So I did get this. Like I said, it came in the little Chanel bag. I wish I would have got like maybe some more lipsticks or some more, maybe an eyebrow pencil, something. I can't quite do the Chanel bags just yet. You know, brand new. I could do maybe an aftermarket. But like I said, how I started with Louis, I'm just gonna start with fashion houses that I'm interested in and just find something that I like. I like makeup, I like mirrors, I like eyebrow pencils, I like fingernail polish, I like perfume. So just starting small with that particular fashion house is how I'm kind of just working my way into the luxury brands. But yeah, so this is the cute little mirror, guys. I just wanted to show it and how it's so cute. One side is magnifying. I wish I could clean it. One side is a little more magnifying than the other side, so you can see a little closer up and get the chin hairs if you need to. But yes, is it worth $45? Y'all, I mean, none of the stuff that has labels on it is worth what it costs. But it's cute, it's fun, it's trendy, it's camp. So, you know, we get it. But that's all. I just wanted to show you my little mirror here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're interested in this mirror, it's available, I believe, Nordstrom, Saks, Chanel. Because I think I went directly from the Chanel website because I wanted to see Chanel on my credit card. I wanted it all to be Chanel. But yeah, so this is my first little Chanel piece. So cute. So if I want to, you know, so if I'm out and I'm just like, ooh. Little luxury, but we don't want to be quiet about it. We want you to see it. But no, all right, I'm being silly now. So I think I'm going to do the unboxing of the pochette. I just don't really like my top or whatnot, but no worries. We're all girls here. I love you, girls, and I shall talk to y'all soon. Come back for my next unboxing. Love you.